Using logging in multiple modules. I have a small Python project that has the following structure. I plan to use the default logging module to print messages to Stout in a log file. To use the logging module, some initialization is required. At present, I perform this initialization in every module before I start logging messages. Is it possible to perform this initialization only once in one place such that the same settings are reused by logging all over the project?
Best practice is, in each module, to have a logger defined like this. Near the top of the module, and then in other code in the module do for example. If you need to subdivide logging activity inside a module, use for example. And log to Loggera and Loggerb as appropriate. In your main program or programs, do for example. Or see here for logging from multiple modules, and here for logging configuration for code which will be used as a library module by other code. Update: when calling fileconfig, you may want to specify disable _existing _loggers equals false if you're using Python 2.6 or later. See the docs for more information. The default value is true for backward compatibility, which causes all existing loggers to be disabled by fileconfig unless they or their ancestor are explicitly named in the configuration. With the value set to false, existing loggers are left alone. If using Python 2.7/Python 3.2 or later, you may wish to consider the dictconfig API, which is better than fileconfig as it gives more control over the configuration.
Actually, every logger is a child of the parent's package logger, i.e. package.subpackage.module inherits configuration from package.subpackage, so all you need to do is just to configure the root logger. This can be achieved by logging.config.fileconfig, your own config for loggers, or logging.basicconfig, sets the root logger. Set up logging in your entry module, _main_.py or whatever you want to run. For example, main_script.py. _init_.py works as well. Using basicconfig. Using fileconfig. And then create every logger using For more information, see Advanced Logging tutorial.
A simple way of using one instance of logging library in multiple modules for me was following solution. base_logger.py. Other files.
I always do it as below. Use a single Python file to config my log as singleton pattern which named log_conference.py. In another module, Just import the config. This is a singleton pattern to log, simply and efficiently.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.